Hello class, welcome to the summer 2025 Data 10 summer class. This is a 3-week session, so it's a very quick session with just 3 weeks. So I hope all of you have logged into your Brightspace. The course is available now. You can click on the summer 2025 and you can click on your summer class, and this class, the summer 2025 class, has been organized in 3 weeks. So there'll be 3 weeks of coursework that you have to complete, and my information is available here. My name is Daniel Lazarus. I'll be your instructor for this course, and my office hours are available from Tuesday and Thursday at 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. online on Zoom. If you need to contact me, please contact me on my email. Email is the best possible way to contact me. Okay. So the course outline is available for people to download. If you take a look at this, there's a course outline here that you can download. Okay. And then the CUNY Academic Integrity Policy is available here. And the netiquette, which is the rules for online discussions, should be available here. Please take a look at, read them. Try not to be offensive on your discussions. Do not use all caps. Try to be, we all want to discuss the topic, but we want to make sure that we do not give rise to any kinds of arguments on the online discussions. Okay. Be to the point. Okay. Buy your books here. Click on this. There's a link given here. If you click on this, or you can click on this one. Any of these links you can click. It will take you to the BCC books for the summer session. Here you go, CUNY 2025 summer, and this is the book that you need to buy. This will give you access to 2 books. One is the Microsoft Office 365, and then the Computer Essentials book. Okay. When you buy this, you need to log into SimNet. To register to SimNet, instructions are here. If you click on this, it takes you to a YouTube video showing how you need to sign up to SimNet. If you already have an account on SimNet, please use your same password and your login information or your username and sign in. Okay. Watch this video for more details. Okay, for accessing your textbooks. Next one, the grade breakup for this course is you have 3 exams. The first 2 exams will be on SimNet. The first one will be on Microsoft Word. The second one will be on Excel. The third one will be on Brightspace. It will be a multiple choice exams. Okay. The final exam, however, is 20%. The lab assignments are 40% of your work. So Excel 20% on SimNet, 10% of Word, and Access 10%. Okay. The online discussions are 10%. So do participate on all your online discussions. Each week you will have 2 discussions. Okay. This is a grade breakup, and this is how you're going to be assessed for this course. And this course is the academic calendar is available here for you if you want to take a look at it. And here are some of the things that you need to do before the class starts. The class starts from June 2nd. So you can, before it starts, make sure you go through this whole class, browse through the Brightspace class, because this is an online asynchronous class, meaning there will not be regular classes. You will have to do the coursework by yourself. However, there are a lot of videos available registering exercises. I've completed all the exercises by myself, and I have screen recorded them and posted them, so you will be able to see them and complete it. Okay. So these are some of the instructions that you need to follow before the class starts, and it is very important because it's only a 3-week class. There are no extensions on any of the exercises. Okay. So you will have to complete the SimNet coursework, the exercises on Excel, Word, and Access, and then your online exams, your discussions, everything by its due date. Okay. So let's start. There are 3 weeks, as I told you. Week 1, for example, if you take a look at it, there are 2 discussions. All the tasks you need to complete for this week are available here very clearly. If you do have any questions, please feel free to email me. You will have to spend at least 6 to 8 hours a week on this course. Okay. because it is a 3-week course and there is a lot of work to be done. You will have to spend at least 6 to 8 hours of work for this course to complete it successfully. Okay, so let's just see week 1. What are the tasks? For example, there are 2 online discussions. The first online discussion is here. It is your class introduction. So you are to go and post your class introduction as a video or an audio. You can do a selfie video. You can record it on your phone. What you're going to talk about, you're going to talk about who you are, what is your major at BCC, what are your career goals, and how familiar are you with Blackboard or Brightspace, the LMS, whether you have taken online courses in the past, what kind of operating systems you're familiar with, Windows or Mac, what kind of information. Okay, just in a few words. So it has to be on video and audio. You will not be graded if you post it on text. However, replies to other students can be in text. Okay. The discussion rubric is available here. If you want to know how you are being graded for discussions, the discussion rubric is available for you to take a look at it. You can take a look at that. Okay. There are 2 discussions. Please make sure that you complete them by Wednesday. Okay. Both of them, your initial post has to be due by Wednesday. And the replies can go up to Sunday to other students. Okay. Right. There are 2 discussions. So that's your first task. The second task is sign up to SimNet. Okay, so you click on this. There are video instructions on how to sign up to SimNet. And this is only for people who don't have any account or who have never used SimNet before. But if you've already done it, please log into your SimNet by going to bronxcc.simnetonline.com. And then when you log in, it takes you to this course. Okay, you can go and access the course. And if you see, you will be able to see all the coursework. Okay, so week 1, you are to complete Microsoft Word, chapters 1 through 4 on SimNet. You will have to complete all the pause and practice exercises and submit them in the Dropbox here. Okay, so you have to create a folder. So create a folder and say Word SimNet exercises and complete all the exercises. Copy them to that folder, compress it or zip that folder and submit the folder right here. It has to have all the 14 pause and practice exercises from 4 chapters. Okay. In order to do that, you have to log into SimNet, access it. So when you are here, please make sure you select your course. Okay. If you select your course, this is a summer course here. So this is how you access the course. Log into SimNet and select the summer 2025 course. If you see another course, for example, fall or spring 2025, just go and click select another class and go down and select this course, summer 2025. Okay, it will bring you to this. So again, you have to complete Word, 4 chapters, all the pause and practice exercise. For example, when you click on chapter 1, there's 1, 2, 3 pause and practice exercises. Okay, you can do all the readings here, how to complete the work, like how to change fonts, what are the things you need to learn in Excel. You can learn through this ebook. It's actually an ebook, and you can complete these pause and practice exercises 1, 2, 3. Chapter 1 has 3, and then after finishing, you go to chapter 2, and then you do your readings, and then again you complete 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 pause and practice exercises in chapter 2, and then go to chapter 3 and then chapter 4. Okay, the way that you do it is always in every chapter, first exercise will have a file to download. Here you go. See, you will have a file. This starts with a blank file. Okay, normally, but if you see the second chapter, you will be given a file to download. Second and third chapters, if you go in this, you will be able to see there is a download. Here you go. You can download this file and complete all the exercises. And then using the completed 1-3-1, you have to start 3-2. The completed 3-2, you have to start 3-3. Okay. So second and third, you will not have any files to download. The completed 3-1 is actually the input file for 3-2 and then 3-3. Okay. All right. So complete all your week 1, and then when you go to week 2, here you will automatically see Excel chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4 appear here. Okay, every week whatever coursework is due will appear here. However, the readings, if you see, there are 13 chapters which you have to complete your readings within 3 weeks. So I've given you the due date as June 24th, but I would suggest that you do the reading 4 chapters each week so that you can complete your readings by the final exam. Okay. To access your textbooks, you can click on your library and Computer Essentials 2023. This is one book we are using. And then Microsoft Office 365. This is the second book we are using. Ignore all the other books. Please do not click on them. You have to complete your work in this and in this. Okay. So that's the week one. So you have to complete your discussions. You have to complete your SimNet and post the pause and practices in a folder, zip folder or compressed folder here. There's also a practice quiz from chapters 1 through 4. If you remember, I told you if you click on this, there are chapters 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 13 chapters. And in the home page, I've given you the shortcuts. Okay, it's both are the same actually. If you go to your library and click on this, you will see 13 chapters. I've also given you the shortcuts here. Okay. That's how you access them, and then you start reading. First, read the 4 chapters. The first week, you are to complete the 4 chapter readings, which is application software 2, 3, and 4. Okay, which is, if you go and look at the book, you'll be able to see information technology, internet, application software, and system software. The first 4 chapters, and then complete your practice exam. This is not this is only optional because this does not contribute to your final grade. However, at the end of the week, you will have to complete your class exam 1 on SimNet. Okay, so you will have to complete them, and it will be available on SimNet here. Okay, just as you see these exercises here, you will see Excel exam 1. This will only appear on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then it will become unavailable for you. Okay, follow the details, complete your readings each week. As I told you, you will have to spend 6 to 8 hours this 3 weeks, the next 3 weeks, in order to complete your work. Similarly, the first week we are doing Microsoft Word. The second week we do Microsoft Excel. Okay, the same way, there are 4 chapters. You need to complete your pause and practice exercises, submit them in a Dropbox. And there are 2 discussions for week 2, complete them. Okay, week 3, again, you are doing Microsoft Access. Access is a little bit different because we are not doing all the pause and practice exercises. We are doing all the let me try exercises. What do you mean by let me try exercise is that you click on this and then you go to the library, access, click on access, and then each chapter there are let me try exercises. Here, for example, it says let me try is completed. You see this? So you need to click on each one of them and complete the let me try here. If you go down, if there is a let me try, you have to complete all the let me try exercises. For example, I think there's only one of them here. If you go to the second one, okay, here you go, there is one. You can see, you can use guide me, and then you can complete the let me try. There are more than one in certain, there are 2, and maybe there's another one, 3. Okay, so you have to complete all the let me tries in this Access. Okay, only for Access there is no pause and practice exercises. For Excel and Word, yes, you have to complete the pause and practice exercises. Okay, so make sure you are in the correct class. If you do not complete the work in the correct class, I will not be able to see the grades or your completion, so you will not get your grades. Let's come back to our class. So there are 3 weeks. The final exam will be held on June 25th, 2025 at 6 p.m. Even though this is an online asynchronous class, the exam has to be taken all students at the same time. Okay, from 6 to 7:50, make yourself free. I'm giving you advance notice. The pattern of your final exam will be 20 true or false questions, 60 multiple choice questions, and 5 out of 10 short questions. Okay. Each short question will be given a separate box. You have to answer in that. Please follow the rules here. There is a Zoom on which you have to be logged in throughout the duration of the exam. Okay. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to contact me by email. Okay. If you do not have Microsoft Office, there is a free download for all BCC students. Click on this and follow the instructions, and you can download a version of Microsoft Office 365 to your laptops or to your computers. Okay, because not having a computer, not having Microsoft Office is not an excuse for not completing your work. By default, if you're taking an online asynchronous class, you're required to have your computers and your Microsoft Office. If you do not have it, yes, all CUNY students can download free copy of Microsoft Office 365. Follow these instructions and you'll be able to. If you need any help with your computers, please contact this phone number, which is the TSC, Technology Service Center for Students, or you can contact them by email. Or if you are on campus, you could go to the Roscoe Brown Student Center. They'll be able to help you in person and install Office for you. Okay. This is the structure of this summer Data 10 course. If you have any questions, please feel free to follow me or email me, or you can contact me during my office hours. I'll be happy to help you. Okay. So this course is available as of now. If you have any questions, please follow. But I want you to go through this class, make yourself familiarize yourself with the Brightspace class for the summer Data 10 class. Good luck, everybody.